Alright, welcome back, and this is one of them videos where I get to laugh at myself and kind of be the butt of the jokes. Maybe not so much. But anyways, this is my brand new GoPro hack that I created here on a big, long, like 100 and some inch GoPro stick. So anyways, I just made it to the Kentucky farm September 11th, 2021, as we remember 20 years ago, September 11th. So anyways, I got my ATV, my cultipacker, and the disc chisel. This is a fairly steep driveway and there's a lot of loose rock at the top, so I didn't even think twice about it. So let's take the first run up here in two-wheel drive. Alright, started spinning out, no big deal, let's just put it in four-wheel drive. Nope, not gonna happen. Let's back up and get a running start. That didn't work. Let's just try a longer running start and get up some, a little speed going here. So what you can't really see is all the tires were just spinning and spitting out rock, and the whole truck was just jumping, kind of jumping up and down like mad. So let's step back and see what else we could try. So at this point, the lease guys show up behind me and my neighbor. So they're in an electric buggy. My neighbor's in a GMC of all things. I think it is a pickup truck. And so let's hear the exchange here.
We take another run at it. We might have to get the tractor.
We need to go get the GMC?
Well, let me see. I just locked the front hub.
You want me to hook to you to come up?
Yeah, maybe. Let me try once more.
So this time I went out and I actually locked the front hubs. First time I ever tried the locking hubs, and I locked the rear differential. So now I have all true four-wheel drive, all four wheels spinning. Let's take this hill down, boys.
Jeepers creepers.
Shit.
Jeepers creepers.
So I made it up the hill. I actually did break some welds on the chisel disc. The angle iron that I put on the harrow and back for extra weight, the welds busted right off. Of course, my neighbor there, Dwight, was throwing me under the bus for that. He's like, we could take it down to my shop and I'll weld it where it won't come off. So yeah, my rusty welds kind of caught up to me, but that was the only damage. So this will be something a little different. I'll keep the camera running for a while so you can watch the process of unloading, a little bit BSing, and enjoy a beautiful view up here on the top of the hill at the Kentucky 201 farm. So let's get some fresh air, and definitely stay tuned for the next segment of this. It's going to be a couple different parts because we had a long day, but we had a lot of fun and success.
I know. Here they are, covering their ass. They want to pick up the camera.
Hey,
Covering their ass.
hey, that's important.
Watch last time I talked to you, Chance,
Like the other arm.
yeah, we'll get it done and that. You know, do you need help? Well, I mean, I don't know, maybe.
Well, yeah.
What happened on
Well, no, we didn't need help. We just needed
help?
the equipment to do it.
I ain't been giving them too hard a time.
Well, you probably need to.
Nah, they're pretty good boys as far as boys go. Well, one of them's a man. He's man size.
You must be talking about me.
Yeah, that's the one.
Hey, somebody's got to be the leader around
I'll
here.
guarantee it. That's what I was yesterday. I'm used to
So
it.
the tractor, she didn't overheat, did it?
No,
We can't have that go down now.
I took it to old Dave Walt's house and we blew out the radiator and stuff. Hadn't checked up.
So what a good team we had here. So the guy holding the camera right now, that's Chance. The other guy in the gray shirt is Gary, and then the one in the t-shirt is Dwight. He's my neighbor there. He kind of manages the property, helps us out a lot. So great group of guys, the four of us. We're going to get after the food plots. Of course, it's last minute. Once again, taking the plots from zero to hero all in one afternoon. But that'll be the next episode, and you'll get a lot of good scenery, some cool footage, because Chance is going to take some really cool camera angles while we're out working. So definitely stay tuned for that, and we'll finish this one out for today. Thanks a lot.
All right, let me grab the tractor.
Do it.
When I bought this place, the Army used to fly over it about this time every year. Guys was growing pot all over this place. Not on my. They tried growing it here, and I tore all that up when I found it. And they would come up here and they would raid this place, and they'd bring them in them Hummers and stuff. They just swarm this whole backside of this road.
Let's see if he says something about the seat I rolled it forward. Like, man, who was short?
Oh, he's probably already moved back. That's the first thing, he couldn't get in.
Who's the short one in here?
And
It wasn't me. I was telling you,
they
bro.
come in here and load trucks of pot up and haul it out of here. I meant to ask y'all, did y'all get in some of that bad wind and stuff?
In Louisiana?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know if you tore your place up.
We got trees. It tore my chimney off.
Well, you
my
said
house.
something about some trees, and then it dawned on me. And I thought, man,
No, we were 100 miles from the coast.
he's gonna probably give you a change.
Look at that.
Is it resting on the? Yeah, it looks good.
So we were cleaning up the old shed. Ran across a, I don't know if it's a hornet's nest or a wasp nest. It's not a wasp, but
I believe
they're little tiny
I see where they're going in the hole right
in
there.
that bag. Yeah.
Yeah, and I believe they're yellow jacket.
You didn't believe me.
No, I didn't. But it didn't.
They usually, yeah, they usually build in the ground though.
Well, they usually do, and that's pretty much considered the ground the way they got that built.
Yeah, the way that sack is.
Yeah.
Okay, so I went and got some wasp spray, and for some reason Chance turned the camera off when I took care of this wasp nest. But this is a thing here, especially for these guys, because one of the guys is allergic to bee stings and wasps and that. So that can be hazardous when you're out in the field and you're way out in the middle of nowhere and you have limited cell signal. But anyways, stay tuned for the next episode. We had a lot of good fun, success, a lot of fresh air. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.